everyone is talking about Vercel pricing. Yeah, definitely. If you deploy something and it has so many functionality which makes your web like faster than you think, but it costs money, right? But you can fix it in a way. In a like I explored that maybe 2 or 3 days before. So I'll show you. If you go to the Vercel, so this is the pro version I'm using, like $20 per month. Okay, but the thing, if you noticed, each function execution unit only costs $2, and web analytics even $1, $2, and all the others is like 0.20 cent or 60 cent. But this build minutes cost $7. That means if I remove this $7, then it will only cost $7. And I don't know about these things because in Vercel free tier you will not like seen anything that okay build minute cost more than anything. When I go to my project, like let's say this one, and go to settings and go to build and deployment, and if I go there, you see we have build machine. And the standard performance, I mean standard machine was like 4 bcpu 8 GB memory, and the performance was has 8 bcpu 16 GB memory. Turbo performance has 30 bcpus and 60 GB memory. And the problem is, if I go there, since I'm deploying UI layouts in Vercel and it's a turbo, and if I go there again, the turbo by default using this one, and it costs 0.126 per build minute. Okay, and every build take like 3 minutes or 4 minutes when it has like 226 pages, I think, because I have blocks, component, everything. If I show you, so this is the component I have, tons of component. These are the blocks I have. I was like shipping too much and working on like fixing so many things. I'm not aware of that, like definitely cost money. And then I noticed that it take basically $7 in only $5 only 2 days, and last maybe 8 days it costs only $3. So it's surprisingly good now, right? Because I don't know about it. So you have to customize that. If you go to the build deployments, then you can easily customize that. Like this is the all project I have, so all the projects are going with standard. So this for the build, only the pro one, because it has tons of functionality and all, I am making it enhanced because I want it to build fast. Now let's say you use Claude or Codex to build any feature, like I do, like everyone do now. So if I go there, so I'm building this feature, and definitely it will create a peer, right? So what Vercel do, Vercel basically deploy every single peer that you are creating, or maybe the commit. So you have to stop that, because if you have a team, then they are working on different things, then they will definitely create peer. And what Vercel will does, it will definitely deploy all the peer. Yeah, and it will definitely cost more, right? If you are using Turbo, I think in 2 or 3 days, you $20 will be gone. So how you can fix that? If I just I try to search about it, and I found this. So this is called ignoreBuildStep. Okay, ignoreBuildStep, this one. So this one, like it says like automatic, so you can just click on like don't build anything, then it will stop building. Okay, so that's how you can stop this. So that's how you can reduce your cost in Vercel. So that's it. I hope you like the video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.